When our little girl was born, we got a Subaru. It's where she said her first word.
No.
Saw her first day of school.
Bye-bye.
Made a best friend forever.
Oh my.
The back seat of my Subaru is where she grew up.
What?
The 2015 Subaru Forester.
What?
Built to be there for your family. Love, it's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.
University Subaru.
The wise choice.
Good morning and welcome to Radio Friends on Tuesday, December the 1st. It's good to have you with us today. We have Dr. John Jarstad with us, MU Healthcare, brand new to Central Missouri and Columbia. You've been here about a month, you say?
That's right, just a month.
From Seattle.
Right.
Well, welcome to Columbia.
Thanks.
And we're going to talk about our eyes. And we were talking before we went on about cataract surgery. And you told me that there is a new lens now that when someone has cataract surgery, you can insert this new lens, and it's almost like putting a real human lens in.
That's right, Paul. The latest thing is this new multifocal lens, or the crystal lens is what it's called, and it's fully accommodative. It can change focus from distance for driving to computer distance all the way up for reading without glasses at all.
How does it do that?
It takes the place of the natural lens, and it's flexible so that it can use the muscles inside the eye to change the focus, just like the natural lens of the eye. So for the first time, we've had a fully accommodative lens to replace our cataracts.
So when you do the cataract surgery and you take out our clouded lens, that's what cataracts are, right? The lens starts clouding up. You take that out, you insert the new lens, what's it called?
The crystal lens is
the crystal
one that's
lens.
new.
How do you attach it to the muscles?
It actually goes into a little capsule that we take the cataract out of, and then that capsule is attached to the wall of the eye, kind of like trampoline springs to a trampoline. And we slip that new lens inside that capsule that we took the old lens out of, and then those zonules, they're called, they flex and move the lens back and forth like a natural lens.
Will it ever cloud up like a natural lens?
No, the lens itself will not cloud up. The membrane sometimes can, and there's a simple 30-second procedure to fix that if it ever happens without surgery.
Is this a painful type of surgery?
I don't think so. Of course, I haven't had it myself, but we operated on a few patients yesterday, and none of them complained of pain, either during or after the surgery.
Yeah, but you're not awake when you're doing this, are you?
Most patients are. We give them some Valium or some sedation, but most of them don't need anything else.
Okay, all right. But I mean, it sounds wonderful, because one of these days I'm heading towards that cataract surgery. I guess as we get older, we all do. Anything else that's new in eye care?
There are some newer devices. There's what's called an ICL. It's an intraocular contact lens. So people that never qualified for LASIK before because their prescription was too thick, we can put this artificial lens in over their natural lens just behind their pupil, and that can allow the correction of just about any prescription nowadays.
So you don't take the contacts on and off every day?
Right. It's a permanent one that goes inside the eye.
I'll end this by saying, what will they think of next?
There's always something new.
Right. If you want more information on this, Doctor, where can people go?
They can go to the Mason Eye Institute. Their number there is 882-1506.
Or you can check it out online, too.
Right, muhealth.org.
Dr. John Jarstad, good to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
Pleasure meeting you.
All right, thanks.
And welcome to Columbia.
Thank you.
Okay, now I turn to Ed Hanson, Talking Horse Productions. Good to have you here, Ed.
Thank you, Paul.
What'd you think of that new cataract surgery?
You know, I wear contact lenses, and I've been interested in LASIK for a long time, so I'm listening very intently to all of this.
I wear contacts too, but as I said, I'm heading down the line to having to have cataract surgery. But Talking Horse Productions, you've got a new production that opens this Friday, is it?
This coming Friday on December 4th, right. A new comedy. Was a Pulitzer finalist in 2012 and named one of the top 10 plays in New York in 2012, called Rapture, Blister, Burn by Gina Gianfrido.
Okay. Rapture, Blister, Burn.
Right.
What's it about?
Well, it's a really interesting story. It's and I'll give you a little bit of the plot line. The two main characters are women, about the same age. They were both enrolled, along with one of the women's husbands, in a graduate program for English literature. One of them dropped out and got married to the gentleman. He went ahead and finished his degree, but he's kind of gotten off the track of progressing through his academic career, and he's become a dean at a small liberal arts college.
Are there only 3 people in the production?
Well, I'll get to that.
Okay.
And then the other one has gone on to have kind of a rock star academic career. She went off and did a fellowship in London, and now she works at an Ivy League school, and she's become world famous. And this small liberal arts college happens to be in the same town as the academic's mother, where she lives. And so the lady comes to visit her mother and has a little reunion with her classmates. And in the course of all of the discussion, we find out that the two women each kind of covet what the other one has out of life. The rock star academic misses the fact that she's never had a personal life, and the one who got married and became a housewife regrets that she dropped out of school. And so they start putting things into motion to sort of take over the other one's life, and the husband becomes the pawn in the middle.
Okay.
It is a brilliant script, and it speaks a lot of to feminism issues, but it also talks a lot about be careful what you wish for. You know,
Isn't that true?
It is true.
Isn't that true? Be careful what you wish for. You just might get it, and it might not be the best thing for you.
That's right. It does. It really focuses on the whole concept of women who really want careers and want families both, and how difficult that is, and how achieving a balance in that is so difficult in life. Mm-hmm. So there's a lot of kind of an undertone of seriousness with feminist issues, but it's just laced with comedy. So and it's hilarious. I think.
So how many people are in the production?
There are 5 altogether.
5 altogether.
The missing character that I didn't mention is a young college student who sometimes babysits for the couple.
Yeah.
And she becomes involved with a feminist class that the one is going to teach.
Okay. So it is called
Rapture, Blister, Burn.
And it opens this Friday, December 4th at Talking Hearts Productions, and you're running Friday, Saturday, and
Sunday for 2 weeks.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So this week and next weekend.
That's correct.
Are they matinees?
Matinees at 2 o'clock, and then the Friday, Saturday shows are 7:30.
Okay. So the matinees are geared to people who do not want to drive at nighttime.
That would be you.
Yeah, that would be. Oh, maybe have Cataract
We've
starting
about that many times.
You got Cataract starting up, and it's hard to drive at night.
There you go.
What's phone number or website?
Website, talkinghorseproductions.org. They can buy tickets online there, or they can make phone reservations with me at 573-268-1381.
Okay, and that's very personal when you call that number.
It's my cell phone number, so you just talk to me personally.
Right, and you leave a message, and he'll call you back.
You know, I had a lady the other day that said, "Oh, I thought this was a message." And I said, "No, and I just got out of the shower, so picture that while you talk to me."
Ed Hanson, thank you so much
You're
for coming
welcome.
by. Let's see, tomorrow, Pritchard Performing Arts Center and Holiday Homes Tour. Our program directed by Travis McMillen, Reynolds Journalism Institute. Audio is Pat Akers from KBIA. Our floor director is Kevin Casson. And our assistant producer and guest coordinator, Uncle James Mauser. Have yourself a good morning.